Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. This is my Samsung tablet. What's happened this morning is the screen has froze. So what I've done is basically downloaded an app, gone to open it, and the screen has frozen. It won't back up and it won't go onto any different screen. It won't swipe and it won't access any apps whatsoever on the screen. The only thing it will allow me to do is make a snapshot, which I don't really need. So in order to get it back to normal, you have to reset it. So just follow these few steps. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to go to the side switches, go to the up button and the power button and press it together. Hold it. Should restart after around about 6 seconds. I'm going to just wait for it to turn on. This has happened before on the other tablet. But after a while of just leaving it, the power would have just reset itself for some reason, but this is now accessible. So it seems to be in working order. So again, hold the volume control button and the power button at the same time. Hold it for at least 6 to 7 seconds until the screen goes off. Then it should just reset and turn on itself. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Look out for more videos. Thanks.